Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Spring is in full effect here, and there's something that we need to start worrying about now that we're getting some green up and the grass is coming back alive, and that's weeds. So as you can see, we're getting some really good green up here on the grass. I put down some ammonium sulfate and we're getting a nice green pop and things are waking up. We really don't have any weeds in the grass yet, and that means that this is the perfect time to be able to put down a pre-emergent. Now I know the weeds are coming because if you look in some of my garden beds here, I do have some weeds coming up. So they just haven't quite made it to the grass yet. They're not alive yet in the grass. So I want to make sure I get a pre-emergent down right now. So the pre-emergent that I'm gonna put down this spring is a foliar application, which just simply means it's gonna be in a liquid form. So let's talk about the pre-emergent that we're using today. It's a mesotrione-based pre-emergent, and the most popular brand is called Tenacity. I actually found a different knockoff brand called Torocity that has the exact same chemical makeup. It was a little bit cheaper online, but Tenacity or Torocity are gonna work just fine. And the really nice thing about this is it's a pre-emergent, but it's also a post-emergent. So you can put this down in the spring before the weeds come up, but if the weeds do come up, you can spray this stuff again to kill it, and it doesn't hurt your grass. So I'm gonna have a link in the description below for all of the things that we're gonna be using today, including Tenacity and Torocity. All right, so let's quickly go over the things you're gonna need for this process. You're gonna need some PPE, which includes a mask and a long sleeve shirt and some pants. I'm gonna change in just a moment before we put this down. You're gonna need your Torocity or your Tenacity, some gloves, and then a pump sprayer or a backpack sprayer so that we can put this stuff down. So I've got the right amount of water here that I need in my pump sprayer, and now I'm just gonna use the plunger here to put the right amount of Torocity into this water, and it's really important to shake this up before we put it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I just put that mesotrione down, and there is actually some weeds in my lawn. So this will actually be a really good control to show you some of the post-emergent effects that this can have. So let me just show you that really quick. So I don't have a lot of weeds popping up in the grass, but you can see I've got some broadleaf stuff coming in, some dandelions most likely, some stuff like this. The nice thing about Tenacity and Torocity is it has just a long list of weeds that it will kill. But we're gonna come back in about a week and take a look at these to see if it's killed them, and also just to see if there's just less weed pressure and popping up weeds that happen in the lawn. So I did also spray this garden bed area with that pre-emergent, and it's actually a post-emergent, so it should kill these. So we'll come back in about a week, take a look and see how bad these weeds look, as well as how the lawn looks in general to make sure that we're not getting a lot of weeds popping up. So it's been about 7 days since we put this pre-emergent down, so let's take a closer look. So if we look at the lawn, I mean, there aren't very many weeds at all. If we take a look at some of my garden beds here, there are definitely some weeds coming up in the garden beds. You can see right here, got some dandelions coming up, some other broadleaf stuff. But in the yard, I mean, we have reduced the weed pressure quite a bit. Now, does this mean that you're gonna be able to keep every single weed out of your lawn just because you put down pre-emergent? No, I mean, you're still gonna have some. But if you look here, I mean, this broadleaf is starting to wilt a little bit. You can see it kind of on the fringes here of the edges. So that is that post-emergent effect. You can also see here on this broadleaf, it's starting to wilt, it's starting to die. So that's kind of what Tenacity or Torocity will do to the weeds. On this dandelion, this one actually grew after I put that pre-emergent down, so it's not going to keep everything out of your lawn. Now here's that garden bed that I was talking about, kind of the control group, and Tenacity or Torocity is a slow acting herbicide. So you can see that the weeds are starting to die. They're wilting. They will eventually die, but it's not like Roundup where they're gonna die in 24 hours. It takes a good week or two for them to go. So putting down a pre-emergent can definitely reduce the weed pressure, but it's not gonna completely eliminate it. So when you inevitably get some weeds in your yard, what can you actually do to kill it? Well, make sure you watch this video where we go over from start to finish how to use one of my favorite herbicides that just pretty much gets rid of all the really hard stuff in your lawn. And the best part is it doesn't hurt your lawn. So click this video and watch that, and we'll see you over there.